What if I told you that you don't need a big budget to have a garden that turns heads? Today I'm sharing 15 cheap and creative ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space using things you already have at home or can pick up for almost nothing. From old furniture to kitchen scraps, we're turning everyday items into beautiful garden features that actually make a difference. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we keep things simple, practical, and inspiring. If you love budget-friendly ideas that make your space feel special, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And before we jump in, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I always love seeing how far this community reaches. Let's dive in. Idea number 1: painted fence refresh. If your garden feels a little dull no matter how many flowers you plant, your fence might be the reason. A faded, weather-beaten fence can quietly drag down the entire space. The good news is that fixing it doesn't require a full replacement. A fresh coat of weatherproof paint can instantly clean up the background of your garden and make your plants stand out in a whole new way. Think of your fence as the canvas and your plants as the artwork. When the backdrop looks intentional, everything in front of it looks better. You don't need anything complicated to make this work. 1 tin of good exterior paint, a brush or roller, and a dry weekend afternoon can completely transform the space. Deep forest green creates a lush, classic feel, while charcoal or slate gray gives a modern, polished look. If you're feeling bold, even a soft pastel can brighten up a small yard. Beyond the visual upgrade, painting also protects the wood from moisture and sun damage, which means you're improving both beauty and durability at the same time. Idea number 2. Tire planters with personality. Old tires are one of those things that tend to sit around for years, taking up space in the garage or tucked behind the house. Instead of letting them collect dust, you can turn them into bold, eye-catching planters that instantly add character to your garden. Start by giving the tires a deep clean with soapy water and a stiff brush to remove dirt and residue. Once they're completely dry, use outdoor spray paint in a color that complements your garden theme. Bright yellows and blues create a playful feel, while muted tones like sage or terracotta blend beautifully into a more natural setting. The paint not only improves the look, but also helps protect the rubber from further weather damage. After painting, you can get creative with placement. Lay a single tire flat for a simple raised flower bed, or stack 2 or 3 for added height and visual interest. If you want extra drainage, drill a few holes at the base before filling with soil. These planters work wonderfully for trailing flowers like petunias, compact herbs, strawberries, or even ornamental grasses. The curved shape frames the plants nicely and keeps the soil contained. Idea number 3. Pallet vertical garden. If you're working with limited ground space or staring at a blank wall that feels lifeless, a wooden pallet can completely change the look of your garden. Many local shops or warehouses are happy to give pallets away for free, which makes this project incredibly budget-friendly. With just a bit of preparation, that simple wooden frame can become a thriving vertical garden. Start by sanding down any rough edges and checking that the pallet is sturdy and untreated. Then attach landscape fabric or a coconut liner to the back and bottom using a staple gun to create planting pockets that will hold soil securely in place. Once your pallet is prepped, fill each section with quality potting mix and choose plants that won't become too heavy as they grow. Herbs like basil, thyme and parsley work beautifully, as do strawberries, lettuce, and trailing flowers. Succulents are another great option. If your space gets plenty of sun, make sure the pallet is firmly secured to a wall or fence before planting, and water gently at first to allow the soil to settle. Over time the pallet transforms into a living wall that adds texture, color and depth to even the smallest outdoor space. Idea number 4. Wine bottle borders and planters. Glass bottles often end up in the recycling bin without a second thought, but they can become surprisingly beautiful features in your garden. One of the simplest ways to reuse them is by creating a decorative border along your flower beds. By burying the bottles upside down with the neck pushed securely into the soil, you create a neat edging that catches the light and adds subtle color. Green, brown, and even clear glass can create a charming, slightly rustic effect. This kind of border helps define your planting areas while adding texture and visual interest, without spending a cent. If you want to take it a step further, wine bottles can also be turned into planters or decorative lighting features. The bottom half of a carefully cut bottle can hold small succulents or herbs, making lovely tabletop or hanging displays. You can also fill whole bottles with citronella oil, and add a proper wick to create simple outdoor torches, as long as everything is stabilized safely with gravel and placed securely. With just a little creativity, something that once held a drink can now frame your garden beds or glow softly in the evening, adding both beauty and purpose to your outdoor space. Idea number 5, garden hose wreath. A worn-out garden hose might seem like pure clutter, especially once it starts leaking or cracking. Instead of tossing it out, you can turn it into a decorative wreath that adds charm to your shed, fence, or garden gate. Start by coiling the hose tightly into a circular shape and securing it with zip ties or sturdy twine at several points, so it holds its form. The natural green color already fits beautifully into an outdoor setting, but you can also spray paint it if you want something more playful or coordinated with your garden theme. Once the base is secure, this is where your creativity really comes in. Attach a pair of old gardening gloves, tuck in a few artificial flowers, or tie a simple ribbon around one side for a welcoming touch. You can even hang small hand tools for a rustic, practical look. Beyond wreaths, old hoses can be cut into sections and glued onto a rubber mat to create a durable outdoor doormat, or wrapped around metal chains to protect swings from rust and wear. It's a simple project that keeps bulky waste out of landfills while adding a personal handmade detail to your garden space. Idea number 6, tin can planters and bird feeders. Before you toss those empty food cans into the recycling bin, take a second look. With just a little effort, they can become charming planters that add color and personality to your garden walls or fence. Start by washing the cans thoroughly and removing the labels completely. Use a hammer and nail to punch a few drainage holes in the bottom, so water doesn't collect and damage your plants. Once that's done, apply a coat of outdoor paint. You can go with soft neutrals for a clean modern look, or bright cheerful colors if you want something more playful. When they're dry, fill them with potting soil and plant herbs like mint and parsley, or compact flowers that won't outgrow the container too quickly. These same cans can also be transformed into simple bird feeders that bring life and movement into your space. After cleaning and painting, attach a small wooden stick or dowel across the opening to act as a perch. Secure a strong string or wire to the sides and hang the can horizontally from a tree branch or hook. Fill it with bird seed, and place it somewhere visible but safe from predators. Make sure to clean and refill it regularly to keep visiting birds healthy. Idea number 7, terracotta pot bird bath. A bird bath instantly brings movement and life into a garden, but store-bought options can be surprisingly expensive and sometimes look overly decorative. The good news is you can create a simple classic version yourself using just a terracotta pot and a matching saucer. Turn the pot upside down to form the base, then secure a glazed saucer on top using strong waterproof exterior adhesive. The natural clay tones blend beautifully into almost any garden style, whether your space is modern, rustic, or cottage-inspired. Once assembled, place the bird bath somewhere slightly elevated and visible, but not too exposed. Birds prefer spots where they can see potential danger while still feeling protected by nearby shrubs or trees. Keep the water shallow and refresh it regularly to maintain cleanliness. You'll be surprised how quickly birds begin to visit, adding gentle movement and sound to your outdoor space. Idea number 8, eggshell seed starters. Instead of buying plastic seed trays every planting season, you can use something you already have in your kitchen. Eggshells make excellent biodegradable seed starters and cost absolutely nothing. After cracking your eggs, rinse the shells gently and let them dry. Carefully poke a small drainage hole in the bottom of each shell using a pin or needle, then place them back into the egg carton to keep them upright. Fill each shell with seed starting mix and plant your seeds just as you normally would. The carton keeps everything organized and makes it easy to move your seedlings around. When your seedlings are strong enough to transplant, you don't even have to remove them from the shell. Simply crush the shell slightly to loosen it and plant the whole thing directly into the soil. The shell will naturally break down over time, adding calcium to the soil, which is especially beneficial for crops like tomatoes and peppers. It's a simple eco-friendly method that reduces plastic waste while giving your plants a gentle nutrient boost right from the start. Idea number 9. Old furniture as statement planters. Instead of throwing away broken or unused furniture, consider giving it a second life in your garden. An old dresser, chair, or even a small table can become a stunning focal point with just a little creativity. For example, you can pull out dresser drawers at different levels and fill each one with soil and flowers to create a tiered planting display. The layered look adds depth and height, instantly making your garden feel more styled and intentional. A worn wooden chair can also be transformed by removing the seat and placing a planter or lining the opening with landscape fabric and soil. Before planting, it's important to weatherproof wooden pieces with exterior sealant to help them withstand rain and sun exposure. Lining the interior with landscape fabric will protect the structure while allowing proper drainage. Choose plants that complement the character of the furniture, such as cascading flowers for drawers or bold foliage for larger pieces. These repurposed items add charm and personality that store-bought planters often lack. It's a creative way to reuse what you already have while turning something forgotten into a beautiful garden feature. Idea number 10. Hanging gutter gardens. If you're short on space but still want to grow more plants, old gutters can be turned into sleek, space-saving planters. Instead of letting them sit unused after a renovation, mount them horizontally along a fence or wall to create a layered vertical garden. Start by cutting them to your desired length, attaching end caps, and drilling small drainage holes along the bottom to prevent water buildup. Secure them firmly with strong brackets, making sure they can handle the weight of soil and water once filled. These narrow planters are perfect for shallow-rooted plants like lettuce, spinach, strawberries, and most herbs. You can even plant trailing flowers to soften the edges and create a cascading effect. The tiered layout not only maximizes vertical space, but also makes harvesting easier, since everything is at eye level. It's a clean modern look that works especially well in small backyards, patios, or balconies, proving that even leftover building materials can become productive and beautiful garden features. Idea number 11. Mirror garden illusions. If your garden feels small or boxed in, a well-placed mirror can completely change the atmosphere. An old mirror mounted on a fence or shed wall reflects greenery and light, instantly creating the illusion of more depth and space. It tricks the eye into thinking the garden continues beyond its physical boundaries. This works especially well in narrow side yards or compact patios, where every bit of visual expansion makes a difference. For best results, position the mirror where it reflects plants rather than direct sunlight, and make sure it's securely mounted with weatherproof backing. You can even frame it with climbing plants or place it behind potted greenery, so it blends naturally into the setting. The result feels almost magical, as though you've added another hidden section to your garden without adding a single extra square meter. Idea number 12. Plastic bottle garden hacks. Plastic bottles are one of the most common items we throw away, but in the garden they can be surprisingly useful. With just a pair of scissors and a little creativity, you can give them a second life before they ever reach the recycling bin. For example, poke small holes around a bottle, attach it securely to a hose, and you've created a simple sprinkler that gently waters your lawn or beds. Cut the bottom off a large bottle, and place it over young seedlings to act as a mini greenhouse, protecting them from wind and pests while keeping warmth trapped inside. You can also turn bottles into self-watering planters by cutting one in half and inverting the top portion into the base with a wick running through the cap. This allows water to slowly feed the soil from below, which is especially helpful during hot weather. Smaller bottles can be cut and mounted along fences to create lightweight vertical planters for herbs or flowers. These simple projects reduce waste, save money, and make your garden more efficient at the same time. Idea number 13. Coffee grounds and kitchen scraps. Your garden doesn't always need store-bought fertilizer, when your kitchen already produces valuable nutrients every day. Coffee grounds, for example, are rich in nitrogen, and can be mixed directly into compost or lightly worked into the top layer of soil around plants. They help improve soil structure, and can even discourage pests like slugs when sprinkled around vulnerable plants. Instead of throwing them away each morning, collect them in a small container and put them to work outdoors. Eggshells, banana peels, and used tea bags are just as useful. Crushed eggshells add calcium to the soil, which supports strong plant growth and is especially helpful for crops like tomatoes. Banana peels break down and release potassium, benefiting flowering plants and fruit production. Used tea bags can go straight into compost to help enrich it naturally. These simple habits reduce waste while steadily improving your soil health, proving that a thriving garden often starts right in your kitchen. Idea number 14. String lights and solar lighting. A garden shouldn't lose its charm the moment the sun goes down. With affordable lighting, you can completely change the mood of your outdoor space and make it feel warm and inviting in the evening. String lights are one of the easiest options. Drape them along a fence, weave them through tree branches, or hang them across a patio area to create a soft glow that feels cozy and relaxed. Solar-powered versions are especially convenient because they charge during the day and turn on automatically at night, saving you from extra wiring or electricity costs. You can also use solar path lights to gently outline walkways or highlight flower beds, making your garden safer and more defined after dark. Mason jars filled with fairy lights create simple lanterns that look beautiful on tables or hung from hooks. Even tin cans with punched patterns can become charming light features when you place candles inside. Thoughtful lighting adds depth, highlights your plants, and extends the time you can enjoy your garden without spending much at all. Idea number 15. DIY outdoor rug. Sometimes a patio or garden seating area feels unfinished, even if the plants look great. That's usually because the space isn't visually defined. An outdoor rug instantly anchors furniture, adds color, and makes the area feel intentional. Instead of buying an expensive one, you can create your own. One simple option is to paint a rug design directly onto concrete or a wooden deck using a large stencil and exterior paint. Geometric patterns, stripes, or even a classic border design can completely transform a plain surface and hold up well with proper sealing. If painting isn't your style, you can weave old fabric strips into a sturdy mat or piece together discounted outdoor carpet samples, which some stores give away or sell cheaply. Even repurposing an indoor rug for a covered patio can work if it's protected from rain. The goal is to define the space and add warmth without overspending. A DIY rug brings everything together and makes your outdoor area feel less like an afterthought and more like an extension of your home. And there you have it, 15 cheap and creative ways to make your garden beautiful without draining your wallet. The truth is, a stunning outdoor space isn't about buying the most expensive decor or the trendiest planters. It's about looking at what you already have and seeing potential. A fresh coat of paint, an old piece of furniture, a few kitchen scraps, or even something headed for the trash can become the detail that transforms your entire garden. You don't have to tackle all 15 ideas at once. Start with one project this weekend and see how much of a difference it makes. Then build from there. I'd love to know which idea you're going to try first, so tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly garden inspiration, and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you in the next video.